started this project because we live in a hotspot where deer vehicle collisions are frequent. We realised that this was a major issue and decided to act on it.
In order for us to succeed, we use signs to reduce the collisions between deer and vehicles.
This includes 3 strands, all of which hold a key part in reducing deer vehicle collision. We used our ingenuity and innovation, as well as advice from local experts, to see what approach we could take when conducting the 3 strands.
Strand 1 of Deer Watch is the identification of locations of risk, where deer are most prominent on the roads. We asked the public to identify locations where deer are on or near the roadsides on a crowdsourcing app called Ushahidi. We promoted this through local and social media. We also interviewed local deer experts like Terence Casey and conservationist Peter O'Toole. From this, we found 2 hotspots of deer population.
Strand 2 field research was the testing of our 3 deterrents: human hair, CDs and our hair scented solution. All 3 of these deterrents worked quite well when tested in the field. They managed to keep the deer off the road, which we observed when reviewing the footage we caught of the deer using our motion sensor cameras. Our human hair deterrent proved most successful. The deer ran back, startled by the scent of the hair, which we hung in tights across the trees where the deer crossed the road.
Strand 3 of Deer Watch is both the designing and prototyping of smart digital signage that we created and a smart laser triggered alarm. The sign was designed to inform drivers of the risk of deer being on or near the road. It runs on a colour-coded system, much like the weather, red being high risk, orange being medium risk, and yellow being a slight risk. The alarm, on the other hand, was a technological approach to deterring deer without distracting drivers.